The driver accused of hitting Johnny Gaudreau was just dealt another blow to his court case. Let's talk about it. I'm following this case the entire way through, so make sure you follow so you don't miss anything. But if you remember back in November, Sean Higgins, who is the man accused of hitting Johnny Gaudreau, his team filed a motion to have his statements to police on the night of the accident thrown out in court because they were claiming that he wasn't properly advised of his Miranda rights. The judge overseeing the case would eventually rule against that motion, saying that his statements were lawfully obtained. However, last month in December, his team filed an appeal to that motion. And that leads us up to today, January 15, 2026, the judge denied the appeal, claiming that the attorneys had, quote, not demonstrated sufficient justification to overcome the strong policies disfavoring piecemeal review of litigation. In the statements Higgins made to the police on the night of the accident, he can be heard admitting that he was drinking beers that day and saying that he had around 5 or 6. He would also end up failing field sobriety tests and would end up having a blood alcohol of 0.087, which is above the limit of 0.08. If he's convicted of all counts against him, he's facing up to 70 years in prison. At the current moment, we don't know when the next court date will be, but whenever that happens, I'll have it here, so make sure you follow so you don't miss anything.